Are you tired of watching your wealth, which is stagnant with the low interest accounts? Are you feeling that you are missing an opportunity which will help you to create a wealth and it is not building a corpus as you are thinking? Now is the time to confront the pain of not taking action and not taking advantage of power of compounding through mutual funds. Imagine every rupee you invest have the power of compounding and creating a wealth over a period of time. Yes, through mutual fund you can get this benefit and you can enjoy your future life by knowing about mutual fund and taking a calculative risk and investing in a right place. Whether you are saving for your dream vacation, your dream house, your children's education, your own retirement, not to worry. For every problem, there is a solution through systematic investment plan through mutual funds. Don't let the fear or the hesitation hold you back. Start today investing even a small amount for your dreams in mutual funds. That will open up a gate for creating a wealth for your future. Take the first step today. Start investing in mutual fund and see your wealth is growing exponentially over a period of time. If you are not aware about that and if you want to learn about that, you can contact us and you can book a one-to-one clarity call, and so that you can understand what is required for your financial dreams and what is the steps you have to take, and then you can start your journey. Start investing wisely and see a brighter future tomorrow.